This is my John Deere rx75 with a 9 horsepower Kawasaki engine with balanced electric start. I bought it from a guy off of Craigslist saying that I was wanting to start up a lawn business, and he offered it to me for $200, and I got him down to $180, and I needed to fix up the steering up in here. There's exposed gears, and those gears right there were all cut up and everything, so I had to swap those out, and that cost about $100 because John Deere parts are really expensive at the dealership. And then I had to replace the mowing deck belts. That was about another $20 because I had to replace the pulley system too. The guy before me backed it into a fence and cracked this part right here, and I had to rivet it back together, and I wasn't paying attention when I spray painted it. It's like a different color, so. And then it was missing the thing that holds it up here. I need to get a new one of those. It's rubbing against the exhaust right now. And really nothing wrong with it except for what I replaced. Needs a new seat, still haven't got to that. I'm going to go ahead and start it up here a second. Well, it looks like the battery needs charged. Probably hasn't been charged since I bought it, which is about a year ago. The back rim doesn't seal too well around the rim, so I had to bend the wheel back out, and now that's fixed. Same thing with the front tire. I think it got tipped over and landed hard on that side or something, and the rims were bent. And the front tire isn't matching the other one. It's not the same tread. I had to kind of do a little bit of touch-up paint on the mowing deck. It was all scratched up and everything. Pretty nice John Deere. Thanks for watching.